So this example brings together all three aspects of buying, renting, and leasing. So Casey, he works as a handyman, and last winter he shoveled snows 58 days. So this year, obviously, he's sick and tired of shoveling, his back can't handle it, he wants to buy a snowplow. He has three options. He could rent one for $75 a day. He could buy a used snowplow for $6,400. He would have to pay for it on his line of credit at 4.9% compounded monthly over 2 years. And snowplows depreciate or they lose their value at 40% per year. So at the end of these 2 years, the snowplow would be worth less than it is now. He could also lease the snowplow for a $2,500 down payment and monthly payments of $200 for the 2 years. So looking at a monthly cost is not a good way of doing this because Casey won't need the snowplow in July, or at least we hope he won't. What we should look at this way is the total cost over the 2 years. So to rent this snowplow would cost him $75 per day times 58 days times 2 years, because he will be doing this for 2 years. That's how everything, the buying and the leasing are set up. So we'll deal with it that way. Meaning if he rents this snowplow, it would give him a total cost over the 2 years of $8,700. If he's going to lease this snowplow, I'm skipping the buy for a minute. If he's going to lease the snowplow, he will be paying $200 a month each month for 2 years, so that'll be 24 months, plus the $2,500 down payment that he will need to make, which would give him a total of $7,300 to lease it. Significantly cheaper, and then he has it in case he needs it. Lastly, we'll go to buying this snowplow. We'll need to use the TVM solver to work out his monthly payments. He would buy it for $6,400. That is our present value. His line of credit has interest of 4.9%. It's compounded monthly, so 12 times per year, over 2 years. And again, he's making monthly payments on this, so we would have 24 payments total. We don't know his payment amount. His final value will be 0. And as we've said, he will be making monthly payments, so 12 per year. Going and determining his monthly payment. Again, finance app, TVM solver, inputting 24, 4.9, 6,400. Everything else stays the same. Second mode to quit out. Go back into the finance app. We want to work out his payment amount, which would give him $280.49 per month. Now, to work out his total cost for buying it, he would not need a down payment to buy it. He would just need the monthly payments. So all he would have to pay is the $280.49 times 24 months that he's going to take to pay this off. And that works out to a total amount of $6,731.76. So in this case, not only is buying the snowplow the cheapest option, it also has the added advantage of Casey having this asset in his hand once the 2-year payments are done. So he can choose at the end of the 2 years to turn around and buy a different snowplow. He would then have to make monthly payments on that. Or he could say that, you know what, this snowplow is good enough, I'm going to keep using it, and he would have absolutely zero cost added at the end of the 2 years. If he rents it, he's going to have to shell out $75 every day that he wants it. He also has to deal with the possibility that the rental company may not have a snowplow available to him. If he leases the snowplow, at the end of the 2 years, he will have to give it back to the company, and then he'll either have to get that one back at a different lease or perhaps get a new one. So in this case, buying checks off all of the boxes for being the most advantageous way to get this snowplow.